Yo, look what we're finding here. Holy cow. Got bread toe low OGs on sale right here. And grade school military blue 4s. That's pretty crazy. Remember, you did get an extra 30% off all this stuff. And they even have Kobe's here. What the hell? Still out at Ontario Mills. Starting with this chic right here. All right, we know these 3s are available. Look at this. What the craft 3s? What the hell are these doing here? These actually look really nice. Do I have these? I don't even know if I have them. These look dope, dude. These look dope. $210 for these. Which one do you guys like better? This one or this one? I kind of like the craft 3s a little bit better. Is this a return or something? This is a size 11.5, dude. $210 for these. These are $200 for those. And they also got the glow green 3s. $2 for those. All right, they do have a pretty decent selection of Jordan retros here, so let's go over all of them. I don't think I've done that at most of the stores lately. Do got the 13s, the most recent 13s right here. Got the wheat 13s as well. Got the powder blue 9s right here, still going for $210. Olympic 6s right there. Is that the cheapest we've seen for these? Holy crap, that's a 7.5. So that is a men's. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen at a retail store. Holy cow. Obviously, they're not going to have a ton of the sizes. Maybe they do. I don't know. Of those infrared whites. You got the black Oreo 6s right here. Chambray 7s right here. These are all nubuck, and those are fire, dude. Grape 6s right here. Do got the 13s as well. Then high OGs going for $135, $150. What did these go for? $140 for those. Glow greens right here, $120. The gold ones right here, been on sale everywhere. $140. Do got, I don't remember what color that was. What the hell? What color was this? I don't remember. But yeah, $140 for those. And that doesn't even include all the mids and the lows. Ton of them on sale. Got the Barons right here. That one's down here all by itself. Black toes. Black toes down to $90 freaking dollars. This one's huge though. This is size 14. Got the bread toes right here. These are not an OG material, and this one just so nice. These are not a retro, but these are on sale. These are the 312s right here. PSG collab. Material on this pretty nice. Not great, but pretty nice. And got women's ones right here. The 3s right here on sale. The camel 3s are pretty dope. Lucky green 3s, 5s right here. Got the 4s. Still going for $210. And then the women's got plenty of lows and mids as well. Plenty on sale too. And still got these UNCs right here. These are dope, dude. These are dope. But man, just whatever leather though, man. Just whatever leather. Just not as nice. It's better than, I'm gonna be honest, it's better than some of the cheap ones, but still not great. Not great. But yeah, it's only $90, so can't complain. Damn. $90, that's not bad. That's not bad, damn. And in the grade school, they still got the military blue 4s right here. That's pretty dope. Got grade school exclusives on sale. The mids down to $50 freaking dollars. Holy cow. I got 6s, Toro Bravo 6s right here. Toro Bravo 6s down to $80 grade school. Definitely solid selection of grade school Jordans as well. Wow. I talked about those UNC Jordan 1 lows. The leather on that is way better than this one. That is way better. It is way better. $115. The leather on these are horrible. And even if you compare it to this bread toe right here, yeah, the leather's way better on that Jordan 1 low in the women's. That's crazy. Ja Morant's down to $50. Holy crap. This is all men's as well. $100 for these two right here. But yeah, that's pretty freaking insane. Isn't this the regular price? Why did they have that? What the hell? It's not even on sale. What the heck? Someone's sleeping, dude. What's going on here? This one's on sale. That one's on sale. Got a third colorway. This is almost all suede too. This one's pretty nice. Not digging that color though. But another Morant right here, down to $70, not bad. And then KD's got LeBrons. We've seen a bunch of the LeBrons on sale. So not bad. They're trying to get rid of these Morants. Look at this, $50 for men's? And then let's see how little love the Zoom Freaks are getting. 75. Okay. One of the last colorways of the Zoom Freak 5 right here. 75 for those. Dang, and these are down to $50. Maybe with that extra 20% off, but they don't got that going on right now. Okay. I'm up to 4 different colorways of these. I freaking love those. I like them more than the Hydros right now. The Jordan Retro Hydros, that is, or the Jordan Hydro Retro? I don't know, whatever. But yeah, I do got Nike Calm Size, $30 outlet like prices. I don't think I've seen them cheaper at the outlets. So not bad, decent colorways. That one might get dirty pretty quick though. But maybe not though, because a lot of y'all motherfuckers are wearing slides with socks on. I don't know, us older fools don't really do that. I think the younger fools are doing that. Air Max 2013s, I've been saying these are gonna go on sale. I think they're gonna go down even more. At the Vomero 5s. We've been seeing them on sale and they're starting to move. People didn't want them for $160, but $100, $120, $80. People are starting to buy them at those prices. Got some Air Max 97s right here. People have not been digging Air Maxes at all. This one's pretty dope too. This one's pretty dope, man. I kind of like this one. $100 for those. And then do got tons of apparel, but right now I can't really buy apparel because yeah, my weight's like changing a lot. $100 for authentic bull shorts right here, freaking authentics. And they always have a ton of Mitchell & Ness, like way more than any of the other sneaker spots right here. $50 for the UNC ones. Right here, they got Blackhawk ones. What they talk about for the Blackhawk ones? Sounds like I'm saying the black ones. I think these are the women's. Yeah, women's going for $35 right here. Blackhawk ones right here. I need to say that carefully. No, that's not even the right one. Oh, these are Pro Standard. Going for $70. A lot of them on sale, man. 2 weeks ago, they were renovating this spot. Now, it's all done. 30% off the clearance rack, which is pretty dope. And stuff's usually already marked down, so let's see if they got anything. Yeah, $150. That's about the same as like the Champs and all those places. Holy crap. Got 3 different ones. Holy cow. Lakers. Just swimming shorts? Yeah, swimming shorts going for $53. This is Mitchell & Ness though. Bulls right here. This looks weird. This looks really weird. $90 for these. Lakers Columbia gear right here. This is a small $56. Remember this all before the discount. NBA All-Star jersey. Is this a Shaq one? Yeah. I do have one of these, but not this one. I don't have this one. $90. Another 30% off, so $27 off. So that's what, $63? $63. I really like this one. I really like that one. I do have one of the other, what is it? I think I have the 96. I think this is the 97. No, it's a 95. I have the 96 one. Lakers hoodie right here. I think this is a kid's, so this is a kid's. $49 for that one. That is a Nike. And I got an old school. I don't even know who the hell that is. Moncrief? I don't know. Someone's gonna let me know in the comment section. $90 for that one. Donald jersey right here. This is a kid's Donald jersey. Dude, they're missing him so much. They struggled like crazy. $50. Malls right here. $101 for the Penny Hardaway jersey. Got a DeRozan jersey going for $60. It's just the Curry jersey, Del Curry, going for $65. That's a hell of a price, especially with the 30% off. Got Los Doyer jerseys right here. People were, I think someone was getting all butthurt when I said Doyers a while back. Even official merch says Doyers. Some of you butthurt ass fools. But yeah, $20, an extra 30% off. Dang, I'm really going after the commenters today, huh? Kind of just happens sometimes, man. Some of y'all be complaining. $20? Holy cow, 30% off on top. This is 47 brand. That is a medium. Got these right here, Larry Bird jerseys. This is weird though. Is that flowers? No, those are plants on the side. It's just kind of weird. $90. These are larges. Hockey jersey, Mitchell & Ness right here, $150. Oh, those are Ovechkin jerseys. I know that fool. I don't know hockey much, but I've heard of that name a bunch. $90 again for a large. LeBron jersey right here. This is an XL. 90 bucks. Man, these are getting weird, dude. I'm sorry. Iverson jersey right here. Spider-Man, what the hell? Mitchell and Ness hoodie right here, Lakers. Go for 94. Got metal aglets and everything. That's an XL. Remember, you did get an extra 30% off all this stuff. I know I'm kind of rushing through this. I only got 20 more minutes. Only 21 minutes. You got Lakers, Mitchell and Ness right here, 113. This is a part of the 30% off. I want to hit a couple. For those, got a Kings, is that a women's jersey? Yeah, large, extra large, and it's not that big. $53. Golden State jersey right here, go for 90. Solid steals. Might be worth checking some of your lids, man. Locker room by lids, fans, usually they run the same sales. 30% off clearance. All right, I got 16 minutes to hit up 2 more stores, and when I hit up a flex store lately, I'm just looking for 70% off. And this is in an outlet mall, so you would think. And yeah, they got stuff 70% off. Right here, they got stuff for 50% off as well. And the 70% off, it looks like it's some New Era stuff right here. These are New Era hoodies, go for $85. And then mostly Foot Locker brand stuff. Locker brand, 70% off, $55 for all these hoodies right here. Oh, there's some, oh my bad, it's Champ Sports Gear, not Locker brand. All the shorts and stuff going for $50. Do got a little sale section right here. The Itchy forums right here, the rivals, Itchy rivalries going for $70. 2002 Rs going for $90. Nice suede material on these bad boys. Got some Cumulus Asics running shoes, super light, 60 freaking bucks. Regular rivalries right here. Some Asics. I don't know how to say the name of these. They're like hella Japanese, I think. I don't know. Army color of Reebok Classics, $30. Hella cheap, super clean. The Mellows, we've been seeing these on sale. Another one right there. Got a few more. Grab these at the Foot Locker outlet if you have access to one of those. Got $5 tees right here. The tees are pretty nice. They're just not 100% cotton. Pretty solid construction and stuff. They feel pretty good. $5. And then y'all know I gotta check out this Foot Locker, see what's up with any of them 70% off racks. What a Foot Locker in an outlet mall, and what's up with these 70% off? Oh, there's one right here. That's it. Just a bunch of t-shirts, dog. I got all excited for t-shirts, dog. Really? That's kind of anticlimactic. We've been seeing these for 70% off at a bunch of spots. If you need hoodies, check out a Foot Locker outlet. They do got John Morant shirts right here, 70% off. But yeah, all the really good stuff I think is taken. All the tech fleece and stuff, they went quick. And I've been telling you guys, it's like hard to go to any Foot Locker after going to the Foot Locker outlet. Their selection is so good there too. Do got these, what are these, like the Answer 3s or something? Yeah, the Answer 3s, answer that not too many people remember. We got questions right there. Question pumps. Got another one right here. You know what? I never noticed they have that D symbol right there. He never dunked on these. Come on now, man. Why y'all lying? Why y'all lying? Yeah, I never noticed the back of that had that. Thanks, balling on a budget. Saw that. You noticed that in the back. That's what's up. Got some super clean Reeboks right here. If you just need some clean shoes, that's what's up. If your kid needs some clean shoes for school, $40. But if you have access to the Foot Locker outlet, man, go check it out. Nike Calm Slides. This is the latest colorway right here. This is the Safari colorway that they made 500 things with. But yeah, these are alright. $55. Do got the AEs right here. Got multiple AEs. These are the mids. They got some mids. Or these are the lows, my bad. These are lows right here. You can tell these don't go up that high. And then a third colorway. Can you believe they have a third colorway of the AEs? These have been selling out everywhere, dude. Selling out everywhere. This is their sale section in the Adidas. If I missed something, you guys can pause it. Gill Zeros. These are going down and down. I'm surprised this one's on sale. I'm sure that one's on sale too. They even have Kobe's here. This has to have been a return because they don't really get releases like that. But Kobe 8s, are you serious? Wow. I love that colorway too. I just can't wear it. Showed that in my Hollywood and Highland video. I just can't wear these. I can't wear them. And then got these as well. Latest colorway of the MB1s. MB.1s? I don't know, whatever. But this is the latest colorway. Pretty dope, but we all know they're gonna go down in price eventually. In the 38s go down in price to 39s, just recently came out, right? Got Zion 3s right there, got 3 different colorways. Are these gonna go on sale? Are they gonna go on sale? I've never seen these at the Nike outlets on the back wall or anything like that. I'm not grabbing these, so, but yeah, I freaking love these. And I have mine for 2020, that's why I'm not grabbing those. That's why you gotta shop around. Dude, they had those for $79, dog, really? Then dude got 2002 R's right here on sale. Got a few. That Chic over there had it for a little cheaper, right? Got these right here. What are these? 725s. Hope you guys saw my New Balance outlet video. I had a ton of those on video. They had so many. Selection was really, really good. This is the Foot Locker. It's technically not an outlet, and they're not allowed to have releases here. I think that's because of Nike, because they have a Nike outlet here, but pretty solid store. They got tons and tons of stuff here. Not much for 70% off, unfortunately, but yeah, that's about it, man. We out. Knock things out with a couple minutes left. Excuse me, sorry. With a couple minutes left. Make sure you help a boy out. Press that like button, and make sure you guys subscribe if you're new. Damn, I forgot to show what I'm wearing, dude. Did forget to show what I'm wearing. But yeah, dude got a Magic jersey on. Got Infinity One Flying at 3s. Got them for like 30 bucks, something like that. But yeah, that's it, man. We out, man. Grab my stuff. Got a couple videos. We out. Back here at K1 on a Tuesday. Kiddo got to go all by himself. That was pretty dope. Did you see your time? Take a picture. Yeah, not here. I take a picture.
Yo!
Wasn't that crazy? Congrats, man. Oh man, personal best time ever. That was dope, dude. That was dope. K1, Burbank.